My name is Mark. After leaving Germany, going on a long vacation, I started having a water problem, and this is the reason for today's video. Hello my friends, the hero of the story is of course the Cuisinart water kettle. That's what this is going to be about today, but I want to share a little bit of my story first. See, I'm normally a coffee drinker, not a tea drinker, but this works fine with coffee as well, and this is one of the main reasons why I bought this one. You see, I'm from Germany and we have some of the best water in the world where I come from. When I had this, I've had this now maybe for 2 months, but after 3 days it was already horrible. All that mineral buildup. Okay, this has a concealed heating element, so that doesn't happen. A concealed heating element, and of course an extra. Again, my German coming through, but you know what I'm talking about, right? So that's what this is all about. Obviously, you know that you can have all these levels here for the tea, the delicate, the green, the white, the oolong, and then the French press coffee and boil. You can simply, you know, coffee, tea, noodles, whatever you need hot water for, right? Oatmeal and so on and so forth. Then you start it, and then here what's nice, once the water boils, that is something you should also know, you can click on keep warm, and then what's going to happen is it's just going to keep it just below boiling, and then you have to click start twice, and it will boil it again, okay? And you can do this with all these. So that's pretty much all there's to it. It also rotates. It has a drip safe snout, or whatever that is called, and a stay cool handle. And that's why I absolutely love this. Rotates 300 degrees in order to never get tangled up with whatever power cords. Absolutely marvelous. I think we all need something to protect ourselves from this. It should really be part of everyone's lifestyle. Just my 2 cents. Peace.